Okay, so let's talk about this, right? And you have your annual taxable brackets, right? So let's say that you get paid 30,000, right? And we'll say that the tax brackets are between, let's do it in a different color, between 0 to 10,000, they only take 10% tax. And let's say that between 10,000 to 30,000, they take 15% tax. And let's say 30,000 to 35,000, they take 30% tax. So how much would your 30 be? So let's say that you get a personal allowance of, let's say you don't get a personal allowance. Okay, so let's just continue on there, and we'll do red. So 10,000 of this will be taxed at 10%. So 10% of 30,000 being what? 300. And then that means that between 10 to 30,000, that's about 20,000, you're going to be taxed at 15%. So if 200 is 10%, that means that 300 again is going to be 15%, right? Because if 10% of 20,000 is 200, and 5% of 20,000 would also be 100, and so that's 300 again. So that's the amount of tax you're paying, and then there's nothing about 30,000, so that means the total amount of tax you pay is 600, £600, and that's just about it. Yeah. If I'm not wrong, let me just double check. Oh, it's 3,000. Because yeah, I'm an idiot. Yeah, 3,000 because divided by 10. Okay, let's say that the tax bracket between 0 to 10,000 is 10%. 10,000 to 30,000 is 15%, and 30,000 to 35,000 is 30%. That means that the first 10,000 of this is going to be taxed at 10%, which means that it would be £3,000. And let's say that you have 20,000 left above 10,000, so then that's gonna be taxed at 15%. 10% of 20,000 is 2,000. 5% of 20,000 is 1,000. 5% of 20,000 is 1,000. So that's going to be another 3,000. And so then your total of being taxed is actually going to be 6,000. Okay, and then that's basically how taxes work in the UK.